I'm Michael Turley. I'm the fourth generation dairy farmer from Greenville, Illinois. Our farm is Rolling Lawns Farm, and it was started by my great-grandfather in 1910. So every morning and every night for the last 110 years we've milked cows on this farm. We milk our 120 animals every morning at 3:30 and every afternoon at 4 p.m. It takes about 3 hours to get all the girls milked, and then that's the toughest part of their day. The rest of it is left to eating, drinking, and laying around. All of our herd is registered Holstein. It's a purebred breed, and most folks would recognize those as the black and white iconic animals. They have been in our herd for 110 years, and we can trace some of the families of some of the cows back to 1883 when they literally came over on the boat from the Netherlands. My favorite part about being a dairy farmer is the relationship I have with the animals, because you're working alongside them. You have a lot of care that goes into that from the very first day they're born throughout their lives. You're interacting with them every day. When you commit your life to the well-being of these animals, you really don't have any other thought in your mind but for them to live as long and healthy a life as they can possibly live. All of our value is rolled up in these animals and the amazing product they produce. And the best way for us to stay small is to build a brand, continue a farm that people can come visit, that they can enjoy products from, and that is what the local market's all about. It's what's fun about participating and being part of a food scene that values local. A place that they can go visit. If you want to find out where the milk comes from, if it's got a Rolling Lawns brand on it, I can introduce you to those cows. When I visited Harvest Market was this commitment to the provenance of food, and that comes back to the farm. To have an opportunity to be on the shelves, or in the dairy case of a Harvest Market, is beyond what most of us ever really dreamed of or could imagine, but it's exciting for us and an honor, and one we will try and earn every day.